ZAMFARA state government has arraigned the two deposed emirs at the state chief magistrate court presided by Justice Saadu Garba. The first and second class monarchs were arraigned on a five-count charge bordering on criminal conspiracy, withholding of evidence, illegal possession of property and alliance with bandits. Counsels to the two emirs objected to the jurisdiction of the Chief Magistrate Court to entertain the case, citing Law No. 7 of Zamfara State 2019, which stipulates that all persons who proclaim Islamic faith cannot be tried at the Magistrate Court except Sharia Court. The case was thereafter transferred to the Upper Sharia Court 1, Samaru Gusau, where the presiding judge, Justice Heidi Saini, listened to the application for bail by defense counsels. The presiding judge granted the two monarchs bail on health grounds and age, since they have been in detention for about 10 to 11 months.
Here, after the case was read by the Director of Public Prosecution and the prosecutor of the court, he heard the charges and they were read to them. They, as usual, normally they vehemently denied all the charges against them and they proclaimed their innocence. Thereupon, we applied for their bail. We informed the court that they've been in detention for more than 10 weeks now, without being with their family, without being with the people who are dependent on them. And considering their age-wise and their health, we moved that application. Though the DPP objected to our application on some grounds, he really challenged the law under which we can, because we come under Section 201 sub 2 ABC of the Sharia Civil Criminal Procedure Code. He challenged that. However, the judge, in his own wisdom, agreed with us. He saw that having spent 10 months without being charged before any court, without their family, with their age and their health, he saw that really they should be checked there. And he was convinced by our argument that none of them being the emir, like the emir of Sado, he was appointed on July, on the 23rd of July 2000. He spent 22 years on the throne. The emir of July, later than that. There is no way they could jump in. There could no way they could leave their people. He is leading an emirate of more than 1.something million. There's no way he can leave his family of 30-something and leave his emirate. So the court agreed with us that really they should be there. So they even have action now. The next action now, the case is adjourned to the 26th of May. Subject to the convenience of the court and all the council, we agreed that we should be on here so that we can start bringing their evidence.